Did you know 46% of all Google searches have local intent? That's nearly half of your potential customers looking for businesses like yours right in your neighborhood. But here's the burning question. When they search, does your business pop up prominently or are they clicking on your competitors? Your Google business profile isn't just another online listing. It's your digital storefront, the welcoming beacon guiding your local customers directly to your door. Think of your Google business profile as your virtual business card, billboard, and customer service hub all rolled into one, directly integrated with Google Search and Maps. When someone searches for coffee shop near me or plumber in New York, your GBP is what can put you in front and center. It's the cornerstone of your local SEO strategy, determining if Google finds you relevant and trustworthy. First thing first, you absolutely must claim and verify your business profile. Many businesses skip this, leaving their online presence to chance. Verification is crucial. It confirms you're the legitimate owner and unlocks all those powerful features, so don't skip it. Next, let's talk about your business description and categories. Your description is prime digital real estate. Use it to highlight what makes you unique. Naturally, weave in keywords customers use to find you. If you're a bakery, think freshly baked breads, custom cakes, artisanal pastries. Keep it concise and engaging. But even more impactful are your categories. Be super specific. Pizza restaurant instead of just restaurant, or yoga studio, not just gym. The more accurate, the better Google understands and shows you to the right audience. Now, for the visuals, high quality photos and videos are a necessity, not a luxury. Your GBP gallery is a visual tour. Show your restaurant, storefront, your shop, your products, your team, happy customers. Obviously, you need permission from them. A profile with mouth-watering food photos or a welcoming interior shot is far more appealing. Google even says businesses with photos get more direction requests and website clicks. And don't forget short videos. A 30-second tour or a quick service demo can significantly boost engagement and humanize your brand. Customer reviews are your social proof. They influence potential customers more than almost anything else. Actively encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews. Make it easy with a direct link or QR code. Provide exceptional service that inspires positive feedback. And here's the kicker. Respond to all reviews. For positive ones, a simple personalized thank you goes a long way. For negative ones, it's an opportunity to shine. Respond promptly, professionally, and offer solutions. Your response shows future customers your commitment to service. Keep your profile dynamic with Google Posts. These are like social media updates directly on your GBP. Announce your new products, special offers, or events. Always include a clear call to action and a compelling image. Regular posting signals activity to Google. And don't forget the Q&A section. Proactively answer common questions or even seed it with FAQs. This demonstrates excellent customer service and provides valuable info upfront. Finally, keeping your GBP up to date is an ongoing commitment, not a one-time setup. Regularly review and update your hours, especially during holiday times, services, and contact info. Inaccurate info frustrates customers and hurts your rankings. Explore Google's attributes like outdoor seating or online apartment to stand out. And leverage the free Insights dashboard. It shows you how customers find you and how your profile performs. Use this data to refine your strategy and keep improving. Your Google business profile is a continuous source of new local leads and customers. Take control, optimize it, and watch your business thrive. Thanks for being here. Hope you enjoyed it. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.